Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, Sonarqube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you. For used for the indexing and searching, logs, temp, website related component you have here. H2 database file will be created here, data directory. Configurations of Sonarqube is here, and bin directory where start stop commands are there. So inside a conf here you have a property file that's called sonar property. Okay. So anything you want to change, remember anything you want to change the Sonarqube, let's say SMTP server or uh, heap size or database entry, port number or anything, you have to modify this file. Okay, so this file you have lots of entries. I would like you to get comfortable with it, and right now not need to change, but yeah, if you're customizing that, you will have to change it. Okay, so finally let's go and start this Sonarqube server. So bin, and here which is my operating system Linux, done. And now here sonar.sh start and status. Now see it's not running. So here started, but it's not running. Now I'm not sure about it, why it's not running, because Java 11 I gave it and everything I gave it, so not running. So let's go and check it out, the logs of it, and logs will have something about this. So here is a log, and log also I don't see much of it. Okay, so the problem which I feel uh, is nothing but a Java issues actually. So I think I am checking. So 11 is good. Okay, see here. So again they have modified. So I think this was done last week only, because before that I I installed it actually. So if you see that this version, look at this here. If you want to go for the older version, it will work. But this version they are using 9.9, the version they are using default 17, migrated to 17. So can I just go and check the 8 requirement, and here see here. So last week installations it support both. So keep in mind 7. So right now I don't want to uninstall Java once again and install 17. I can do that, but let's go with the 11 only, 9.8. So how do we get the package? So I think this package is, the one which I downloaded, this is become waste now. So I need a different package. So what to do? So go for home page, and here do we have something 9.8? Uh, there should be some options for 9.8. Mm, so let's go to this website and see if we get avoiding the time wasting. Here's Sonarqube, and which you said 9.8, right? 5 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there. So many versions are there, but uh,
Rajesh, there was a page where previous version downloads are there. So can you just check?
let me check. Let me check.
Okay. Yeah, go down. Bottom of the page. Yeah, see. I have the page.
See. So this will save our time. So let's go for little previous 9.8, 9 points. This is good. So here let's go for 9.7 last month. Every month they have a release. Okay, that is a headache. So wget, same process you have to do, or you can upgrade the 17 also. I told you how to uninstall. I showed you how to uninstall and install new one. So that you can do that. Now here, this is the, I'll just delete this because I got the new package now. So it will avoid the confusion. So unzip here, and same process, nothing new. Sonarqube, go to the bin, go to the Linux, and finally to the screen, and Sonar. Now can we check now? Status. Wonderful. So now Sonarqube is running. Now, because Sonarqube is a web-based software, so some port has to be there, right? So the port, if I am able to recall, I think is 1990. You can go and check the conf file also for the default set in this file, but it's 1990, I think, or 9,000. Correct. 9,000, not 1990. 1990 is for the Prometheus default. So 9,000 is a port, and what is the username? So username is ADMIN, password is ADMIN123. Okay, so you can change it, this one, default username and password. So now, if you see that here, as part of the requirement, I got a server which is done. Any questions on this, guys? All of you?
No.
Okay, so I will share with you user ID and password. But now this scanner and code you should be having in the laptop. Look at the image one more time. The code you should be having laptop and scanner. So let it come. So ADMIN 123, I guess. No, then I think ADMIN only. Yes, ADMI and ADMI default password. You don't have to do that. I'm doing it for you. And then password is ADMIN and new password ADMIN 123. ADMIN 123 and update. Done. So my username is ADMIN and the password is ADMIN 123. Log. So guys, this is why is asking again?
Rajesh, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah.
So I just want to we are running Sonar from this, like we can use a Docker image as well to run it from a Docker.
Yes. Yeah.
So like it will be easy
Docker.
for Mac. Like we can just pull the Docker image for the Sonar and we can just directly run that.
Yes. Docker run Sonarqube. That image name.
Yeah.
Uh,
Because like
you can.
maximum of we are using the Mac, right? So it will be easy to run it through the Docker.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So this is the official image, and
Yeah,
you know
that's
that.
what I was thinking. Like it will be simplest way. Like we can easily pull the Docker image for the Sonar and easily launch that.
Yes, you can do that.
Okay.
This is the command will help you. I think I have a just a second also. Sonarqube install using Docker DevOps. I need to check that, but you'll have it. Okay, so this package you can run it. This image. Okay, coming back to the point. So this is server is done. Now username is ADM and pass 1234. Let me just validate because just ignore this message and ADMIN 1234. Yes, yeah, it's for. So remember that this is the URL and password. I'll share with you. So guys, so far so good. Any questions? Any doubts? Hello, hello.
Yeah, we are good.
Yeah. Okay. So now what next? So now we need to have a scanner. So from where we'll download the scanner? So I'll just Google it. Remember that in this you have to in a laptop. Okay. Now in the laptop, Java 11 should be installed. Must be installed. Okay. So I think in my laptop Java 11 is installed. Now how do we install Java 11? I think you know more or less, but let's say if you don't know, then this URL, go to this URL. Okay. In this. Here you have all sort of Java OpenJDK by the way. You have to download from here and install it to exe. Now there is a one more Java which is Oracle Java. So you know that where to get it. So see here 19, 18, 11. Go for 11, okay? Because right now we all are using 11 in the production right now. Few projects has go migrated to 17 or something. So here you have packages, okay? So you can install it. So now Java must be installed. So do I have a in my window Java is there or not? It is there already. Java hyphen what here. So prerequisite is there. Now how do we get installations? Just a second. So OpenJDK, why I'm using not Oracle JDK because OpenJDK is easy to use it. Oracle JDK is like little bit irritating. Down login, registration, download, captcha, this that, and it's very difficult. So I use OpenJDK. Okay, so now sonar scanner. How do we do that? So I'll just go to the Google and say Sonarqube scanner download, and it will take you to this page. Okay, enter. Now, if you see that there are so many scanners left side, look at it very carefully. You need to focus on it. The UI is little different here. So here you have so many scanner. This all scanner is jar file only, but wrapped around for different tools. So this is the command line. This is for Ant. This is for Jenkins, Azure DevOps, Maven, .NET, Gradle. Now this is the one which I selected right now. And as per your operating system, here is your scanner. So right now my laptop is Windows. You guys have a which one? Mac. Right? This one. Okay, all of you. All of you.
Yeah.
Hello. Now some of you wants to try that. Just someone said he wants to try Docker container. Scanner can be available in container also. Here it is. Okay. So right now I will go and download this part, Windows 64-bit. And actually I have done it. So this is, you see, downloading is happening, right? So I have done it. So let me show you. So go to the C drive, tools, and Sonarqube. So this is the, I follow my specification for myself. If you like it, you can follow. Any tools you installed separately for during the dev operations, I put it in a C tools, and then here I have a one directory Sonarqube, and here if you see that carefully, this is a scanner. This is a scanner which you have here. So what I did, nothing great, just download, extract it. That's all. I repeat, no installation activity. Download, extract it. So, and then this is the source code. I have it. So here you got the scanner, and this scanner I want to show you. So, where is that? So many. Huh. This is the locations, and this is the my scanner. I want to show you the scanner. It's a library. This is jar file. Everywhere is jar file, but it's wrapped around for Windows. And scanner configuration file is here. Mind it. Sonar.property was for the server configuration. Sonar-scanner.properties for the scanner properties. Remember, that is important. And all this stuff. And that's all. So here, this scanner. So I'll just put it up in the this one, and source code I will give you that one location from where you can scan it, clone it basically. GitHub, and just for learning I'll give you source code. And so now you can use any source code actually. Just for the starting point I'm giving you on source code. Don't download it, clone it. I repeat, don't download it, clone it. So clone it, git clone this one. Okay, so this is a source code I have already done. So let me show you. This is the one I cloned it. Remember, .git is there. Why I'm asking not download and clone it? So reason is, when you clone it, all the versions also will get it. And Git Sonarqube is very clever to read the commit ID and to tell you who's committed this code that has a problem. Okay, so this is like that. So now all these three ingredients which we have a code. Sorry. we have a scanner, and we have a server. Are you comfortable, all of you?
Yes.
So nothing you have to do great now. What you have to do, run the scanner on the source code, and rest of the things will happen automatically. I repeat, run the scanner on the source code, and all this thing will happen automatically. So how do we run it? So where is the scanner, by the way? So scanner is somewhere here. Bin. This is scanner, okay? So copy this file, locations, and the file name should be this one. Uh, Here. This is scanner. Where I'm going to run it? On the source code. Where is the source code? So here. Okay. There's one file which I created. This file is important uh, for command line operations. But other tools like Jenkins and Maven and all, it generate automatically, so you don't have to create. If you're running manually, just like I'm showing the demo, then you need this. Okay. So all this thing. Okay. So now what to do? Again, run the scanner on the source code. So this is scanner, and here's source code, command line, enter. That's all. Now everything will be done by scanner. Okay. So I run the scanner on the source code already, and now it's running. Let's wait for it. Okay. So this thing you do it in Windows. That's all. So now scanning results will be posted at a Sonarqube. Look at this here flow. The moment you run the scan on the source code, scanner will read the rules, apply on the code, reports you have it, feed into the database. From there you can see on the website. See, there's an error actually. So error is, so here scanner is not reachable. Sorry, server, Sonarqube server is not reachable. So why? I'll tell you. The reason is, see, understand that Sonar scanner will go to Sonarqube server and download the rules, correct? So for this, the scanner have no idea what is the recent latest server. By default, they use a local host actually. So what to do? So nothing great. I have to update that configuration of scanner. I repeat, configuration of scanner. Here, this file. And I need to tell, okay, this is the right server for Sonarqube. So this is the old address, okay, last demo. This is uncommented, okay, remember that. By default, it will be there like you. For you, it will be here, like this, localhost. You have to change that. So how do we do that? So IP address for is here. See, I did it and save it. So this, that means scanner should know where is the server. How do you tell the scanner property file of the scanner? Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that error should be resolved. So can I run this once again? Running the scanner on the source code. And okay, and in Windows, actually this is a little bit slow. In Linux, if you use, it will be faster. Now, if you see that here, there is one more issues. See, I'm showing you all the issues. You remember that. So there is one more issues. So they are reading the property file. Their execution failure, and if you see that, see, last issue is gone, but new issues has come. Scanner have no user ID and password. How do you set the user ID and password for the scanner server? This is the file. So can I go to this file? Show you this. Uh, Go to the server for this property file. Okay, and this property file, some required metadata is there, like key, project name, and all. But this is important. So what is the username and password? I forgot. Admin123, no, or something else. Admin1234, correct, no? So here I'll give it 4 and updated this, and then I'm running. So two things I changed it in this. Can you please tell me, someone, what are the two things I changed in the scanner? I mean, laptop at laptop location. All of you. One is scanner property file, another one is project property file. Scanner property file with the right IP address of server, project properties file with the username and password. Correct now? Hello. Okay, so now this is running. Just wait for a few seconds. See, analysis is happening. See, all the rules is being loaded. Almost done. Done. This analysis is happening. Log publishing is happening. Done. Now, can we go to the Sonarqube? All of you, can you see my screen? Refresh this page. Still has not come. Just wait for a few seconds. Automatically load. Click on the projects. So this is published at this place. Okay. Now, and this one. So just wait for a few seconds. It is take some time to represent. Okay. So if you're not loading, you can directly go to this page and
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.